Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a clothing haul. So it's going to be another haul. So this time it's going to be H&M slash Westside slash Pantaloons haul. So I have ordered H&M online. I ordered it online. Few stuffs I ordered it online and few I bought it. I went to the store and I got it. That is offline. So let me show you the products which I got from H&M. So what I ordered online, I'll be showing you that first. So this is a ribbed polo neck body top which I ordered. This is in the shade cream. So yeah, as you can see, it has full sleeves, like you can cover your hands with this. I really liked it. So it is completely appropriate for the Mumbai weather. As you know, in Mumbai there is not kind of a winter season climate over here, but yeah, you can wear this during night time. So yeah, this is the really cute ripped cream top. And next I'm sure, okay, so I'll tell you the price for this. So this is for rupees 799, that is for rupees 800. So next I ordered this cute, I mean a regular t-shirt, you can say. You can wear it on a regular basis. It's a casual t-shirt. So this is for rupees 399 and this is in the shade beige. There are lots of colors available in this t-shirts. So I really like the fabric of this t-shirt. It is so easy breezy. I mean, it's so lightweight. When you wear it, you don't feel like you're wearing a piece of cloth on your body. It is so comfortable. So you can use it on a regular basis, like comfort under, I mean, on your PJs, or on a regular basis also you can use this t-shirt. There are a couple of options available in this, like color options available on this, so you can check that out. So this is for rupees 399. And next I got this polo neck top. So this is in black color, and this is basically a crop top. It's not a full length, you can say. It's a bit of crop. Okay, so this price is for rupees 799, the black polo neck top. That's it. So these were the tops which I ordered from H&M, and I got one denim from H&M that was from offline. I didn't order it online. I went to the store and I got that denim, and that's a wide leg denim. I've got this in this dark blue. It's really amazing. It's a high waist, it's well fitted, and I really like the color, everything, the fit, size, it's perfect. And this was for rupees 1999, that is for 2000 rupees. So yeah, I really like this jeans as well. This is and wide leg jeans are really much right now in a trend, so I thought of to give a try on that. And I would say, guys, the fit of this denim is just so amazing. Like, I have got so many denims from many brands, but particular this H&M denim which I got, like this one, I mean the fit is just amazing. I had to not alter even an inch for this denim. It's just amazing. So yeah, these were the clothes which I got from H&M. And now the next top I'm going to show you, that I got it, that was random, I got it from the Pantaloons shop. So this is a gray t-shirt. As you can see, it's a casual t-shirt. You can wear this during your coffee dates, or you're going around for a grocery shopping or anything. It's very casual. You can wear it on your day-to-day basis also. It's very comfort. I really like this New York print, graphic print going on the t-shirt. I really like it. So yeah, this is you can tuck in. I have tucked in with the high waist denim, so you can do that, or you can just open, you can style it by yourself how the way you want. So yeah, that's the one top I got from Pantaloons. And the next I'm going to show you, that is the last thing which I'm going to show you in this haul. That is the sneakers which I got from Westside, and these are in white color sneakers. I mean, they're so comfy to wear, and this was the new collection. I went to the store and I've got, if you'll see in the online, you won't be finding this sneakers right now because they are not available online. You have to go in store and you need to check out. And it has a rubber sole in it, and it's so comfy, like wearing it, it's amazing. I really liked it. I've dropped a picture over here of the shoes. You can see I have worn it already once, and they are amazing. So, and yeah, this priced for rupees 2000. So yeah, that's it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's haul. So if you want such more hauls from my side, then please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do for you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos. That's it guys for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.